Welcome to this transformative manifestation guided meditation, crafted to help you connect with your inner power and align with the universe's abundance. Remember, the magic of creation begins from within and extends beyond your wildest dreams. Find a comfortable position, allowing your body to relax completely. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation. Now, picture yourself in a peaceful green forest. Sunlight gently touches the leaves, creating a soft glow. Listen to the gentle rustling of leaves and sweet bird song. Feel a deep sense of calm and safety as you connect with nature. Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now envision roots extending from the base of your spine, anchoring you deeply into the earth. Let your mind and body surrender to stillness, as if embracing the quiet wisdom of the ancient trees. Visualize a golden light surrounding you, like a protective cocoon of love and peace. Imagine this light expanding outwards, encompassing everything around you. You are safe. You are protected in this space. As you continue to breathe, bring to mind a desire, something you truly long for. See it clearly in your mind. Feel the emotions associated with it. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this vision. Feel the joy and excitement of experiencing your desires fulfilled. Imagine that you are already living in the vibration of your dream life. With each breath, release any attachment to the outcome. Trust in the universe's perfect timing. Imagine your desire as a beautiful butterfly enclosed in a chrysalis. This chrysalis is your intention, is your focus. Now with each inhale, nourish the butterfly within. With each exhale, release your desire to the universe. Trust in divine timing and the perfect unfolding of your life. You are exactly where you need to be. All is well. You are safe. Be open and receptive to receiving all that the universe provides. Picture the chrysalis opening and the butterfly emerges, its wings shimmering with the colors of your dreams. Watch as the butterfly soars higher and higher, carrying your desire to the cosmic expanse. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor to deliver your desires. Trust that your desires are already manifested and simply claim them now. Feel a deep sense of gratitude and peace. Affirm to yourself, my cup runs over with blessings and abundance. I am grateful for the infinite possibilities that surround me. I receive my desires with open arms and an overflowing heart. Bask in this feeling. Enjoy this moment. Be here and now with this beautiful energy of your desire fulfilled. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the connection to the earth. Take a few deep breaths, allowing the energy from your meditation to ground you. And open your eyes when you feel ready. May this meditation empower you to manifest your desires and experience the magic of life. Remember, you are a powerful co-creator of your reality, and your dreams are seeds waiting to bloom. Continue nurturing your dreams with positive affirmations and take inspired action. Share your journey with me in the comments. I'd love to hear how this meditation touched your soul. And if you enjoyed this time together, please subscribe for more moments of peace and inspiration. Sending you love and light, beautiful souls. Namaste.